Te Reo Māori for beginners. Pronunciation lesson 1, vowel sounds. Did you know that there are 10 vowel sounds in Te Reo Māori? 5 short and 5 long. The long vowel sounds are marked with a macron. That's the little line that sits on top of the vowel. So let's have a look at the 5 short vowel sounds with an English word that helps us to correct that pronunciation. A, up, a, e, egg, e, ki, e, o, po, o, shu, oo. Good. Now let's do the same with the long vowel sounds. A, fa, a, e, pe, e, peep, e, o, store, o, moon, oo. All right then, let's review those vowel sounds. A,
A,
e,
E,
I,
O,
u,
U,
a,
A,
e,
E,
I,
O,
o,
U,
u.